Alright, hello folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the go-kart in its current state before we get the new engine for it. So, we're going to get a new engine for this. It has right now a 136 on it, 4 horse, and it's just not quite enough power for these hills, which this is the flat part of our property up here, but it gets really hilly and not nice for this engine. The torque converter is pretty good though, because it has a modular gear ratio, so it adjusts for so as the RPM increases, this is the clutch part of it, it'll engage the belt, squeeze it, and then move the belt up to this position, and sink this down in here, so it'll have a higher is it a higher or lower gear ratio? I don't know, but anyways, it'll adapt to what speed it's going. So yeah, we did some modifications to this. I actually had taken this engine off previously, thinking I wouldn't put it back on, but I decided to put it back on just to show you guys, how it was with the old engine. So obviously, this is interesting. This used to be a big giant muffler on top, and now it's a little straight pipe. And this, I don't know what this was. It was just this little device thing that came off of here. Took that off and just cut the muffler. It's really loud, and it also, don't believe this or not, but it blows flames. Little flames. You can see them a little bit at night. Like when I don't know, I might be able to film this today, hopefully, but I'll pull it in the garage, jack it up, and show you the flames out the exhaust pipe at nighttime. It's pretty crazy. Oh yeah, we also installed this tachometer on here so we can tell the RPM. From factory, it's not supposed to rev above 3600 RPM. I've done 40, no problem. Although it's probably not a good idea. It's a bit lean, so it likes to run on half choke or something. Oh yeah, and we also removed the governor gear by smashing it because I was annoyed I couldn't get the little clip off because they're so annoying. But I decided to smash the gear. Not a good idea either.
By the way, this is full throttle the whole way up the hill, and you can see it's not going too terribly fast.
It does alright for the flat parts, but it goes, especially with only one person in it. But the second you get more, the second we both sit in there and try to drive, it really struggles to go up hills. But yeah. There he is. You hear it slow down as it comes up the hill. It is ear-piercing loud when it goes by. Oh yeah, the throttle return spring is non-existent, so you can't use the foot throttle, you have to use this one back here. And we have some pretty janky stuff set up. Remember this section, folks? This is the one I cut, one of the time-lapse video. There's that old tape hole down there. We may have destroyed it the rest of the way. It was falling apart. But yeah, you can see what it looks like. This is a little road that goes down to the bird bowl, which you saw down there. Alright.
In case you can't tell, it's a very bumpy ride.
so that was pretty much a taste of all the major areas we usually drive this. Down the road a little ways, and down our driveway, on the trails, which some are flatter, and as you saw the last one we went on is not flat. It's very, very bumpy, and uphills and downhills, and it kills to ride on it, but also it's just kind of goes slow. But yeah, I think it'll really benefit from this engine swap. That is if it fits, which I talked to a guy. I'm buying the engine from Go Power Sports, which, as you can see, we're kind of advertising them on our engine. We put some stickers on. I definitely like them as a go-kart part company. But anyways, the guy there said that the bolts should line up for the engine mount, and the torque converter should be just fine in the way that it lines up. Ooh, it's hot. And yeah, so hopefully we'll find a way to record the bits of fire, and also we'll show you that tachometer and show you what kind of RPMs we're getting. Alright, so we have this thing mocked up in here with a jack, and we shut the garage door some of the way to block out the light so you can see. That is the go-kart in its current state. I will certainly be making a video when I get that new engine on. Maybe of me mounting it, and then certainly of me testing it out. So, yeah, I can't wait till then. It should be coming in maybe a week or so. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.